We're gonna pull out the big guns. Are you ready for this, men? So that means yes, right?
That would be a maybe. I don't know.
Improvise. We'll cut all this out, all right.
Gotcha.
So you're ready for the big guns, right?
I'm ready for the big guns.
Yeah. Fuck yeah, you goddamn right. You ready for the big guns?
I'm ready for the big guns.
Good. That's what I like to hear in a man's voice. By the way, I hope you're not a pussy. Are you a pussy?
Not a pussy.
You're not a pussy, are you?
I'm not a pussy.
You're not a pussy, are you?
Not a fucking pussy!
Goddamn right, you're not a fucking pussy. That's what I like to hear in a man's voice. But are you a pussy? I'm not a pussy. What do you think about David Lynch?
David Lynch? I think he works for the CIA.
You ever see that movie called The Elephant Man?
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
It was a very good movie.
Do you like The Elephant Man?
Yeah, he was very nice.
So what are the same?
Yes.
Fucking crazy, man. You're so crazy, man.
I'm not an animal. I am a man.
I like your style, man. I like your style a lot. I know you haven't seen Wild at Heart. Have you seen Wild at Heart? Say no. Marissa Tomei. Say
Marissa Tomei?
I know you haven't seen Wild at Heart before. Have you seen Wild at Heart before?
Marissa Tomei?